Welcome to Perfect Legal Pleadings. This is a very brief demonstration of some of the functions of the program. What you see on the screen right now is just a blank document in Microsoft Word. And up here you'll see there's a Perfect Legal Pleadings tab and the Form Tool tab. Now we're wanting to do a divorce, so we're going to go over here to Divorce. We're going to pull up the forms. This is the Divorce Procedures Forms table, which has all the forms listed in chronological order in which you would do them in a divorce case, beginning with the case intake, petition, all the way through the decree and post-decree motions and things. As an example here, we'll go and do, like you would start any case, you'd start with a petition. Either you or your secretary would sit down with the client and take in the information. Here we have the questionnaire for the petition. You'll notice on the side we have laws that go are related to each of the particular questions in the form, which can easily be turned off by clicking on the comments up here. And we'll just click right here, turn those laws off. And now we would go through and fill out the form. We're doing a decree and go through and answer the questions, check the appropriate boxes, fill in the name of the client, John Doe, and his gender, it's a he, and go through and answer the remainder of the questions. Once we've got the form filled out, we'd want to save that information to the database. So we'll click Save and Load. That's the divorce case, so we're going to put it under Divorce Clients folder. I already have a file set up for John Doe, but if you had a new case, new client, put their name in. Set up a file form. We're going to take the answers from the form, put them in the file, hit go, and we just saved all the answers that are in the form. Now we want to fill the form, so we'll go here and we'll click all these, hit go or OK, and boom, it filled out, petrified, and we have all the forms for to file the case. We have this cover sheet. Blow this up a little bit too big. The civil cover sheet. We have the petition prepared. And we can go down through the petition. And you'll see we have a joint custody plan in this case ready to be printed. In this particular case, the fact scenario, the petitioner is getting a couple of children and the respondent is getting a couple of children. Have the notice of the Department of Human Services. Less pendants for any real property in the case. The automatic temporary injunction. If there were a waiver, here we've got the waiver of summons and entry of appearance. It was uncontested divorce. Got the summons ready. The certificate of service by mail when we get the green card back. And in the event we can't serve by certified mail, we've got a return ready for the process server. If the certified mail is refused, we've got the affidavit for that ready. And you're ready to print out your petition and ready to go. Now later, should you need another pleading, let's say, for example, the opposing party is not responding to discovery. Well, let's go to the index here of the Divorce Procedures module. On motion to compel discovery, takes us to the section in the Divorce Procedures table dealing with compelling discovery, and there are several forms in here. We're going to use the one where the respondent hasn't made any response at all. Just click on that form. Now we could go ahead and type all these answers in again, but since we've already saved them, we'll just load them up from the database. This is John Doe's case. We're going to take the answers we saved previously from the file and put them in the form, so we're going in that direction. Boom. Hit go. You can see it's loading the data into the questionnaire for this particular form, which is a motion to compel. Then we just need to we'll go ahead and have it print out the law for us. And you just need to go through and answer the questions that deal specifically with this particular motion. All the other information, client information, opposing party information, All the other information is already in it. Hit Fill, takes the data in the questionnaire, selects the appropriate paragraphs, prepares the forms. We'll go to the top here and turn that law off on the side. Now you see with the motion to compel, you'll see these gray areas. This is the data that was input into the forms. It also selects its specific paragraphs. And then we'll just go ahead and petrify it and get that off there. And also removes the petrification, also removes the questionnaire from the bottom of the forms. Now they're ready to print. There's your motion to compel. Notice an order setting the hearing and your order granting it. And we also ask for the law, so there's the law. You print it out, throw the law in the file, we'll file the forms, and you're ready to roll. Now we have some other bells and whistles in the module. One is the family law statutes. This takes you to the laws that would be applicable to a divorce proceeding. Here you have Title 43, of course. If you want to look at the particular statute in the module itself, you can go straight to it. If you want to look at it on an OSCN, and bang, and you're there. We also have legal websites. These are websites with information that are relevant in divorce. For example, if you want to see if someone's a registered sex offender in Oklahoma, boom, you're at the Oklahoma Sex Offender Registry site, put in their name, and you'll know. We have local court rules. Any county that has published court rules are in here, so all you need to do is click on a particular county, and there's your local court rules for that particular county. We also have visitation schedules. Not only the Administrative Office of Court schedules, but for each county, whatever their standard visitation is, boom, and there's Canadian County standard visitation schedule. Got the Bar Journal articles. Any Oklahoma Bar Journal article from 2006 to 2014 that would be relevant to a divorce case is here. You click on it, and you're taken directly to the Bar Journal article. We have law summaries. These are summaries of various legal topics. For example, contempt of court. That's all the statutes dealing with contempt of court. Again, you can click on them, go straight to OSCN for that particular statute, although it's spelled out here. If you wanted to know the factors considered in awarding custody, we have those set out. You can just go through and statutes, case law, the different factors regarding custody issues. That is a very brief overview of the Perfect Legal Pleadings Divorce Procedures module. Thank you for your time.